Data continues to support Maryland's real estate market is still a seller's market despite rising inventory. It's Friday, May 2nd, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. Statistics indicate that Generation X buyers ages 45 to 59 represented 24% of recent home buyers. This group was the highest earning home buyers with a median income of $130,000. Young boomers ages 60 to 69 years were the next largest buyer pool. Properties coming soon fell 2% this report to 1,801. New listings rose 20% to 2,171. Homes going under contract rose 25% to 1,815. 1,551 properties sold at 100% list-to-sold ratio in 9 days. 5% of those buyers paid cash. Rental properties rose to 2,446 properties for lease. This report priced at $2,400 median per month. This median rent price has been consistent week over week for quite a few weeks. That's your wrap for this Maryland Market Minute for Friday, May 2nd, 2025. Stay safe. I'll see you next Friday. Take care.